Hi everyone, it's Andrew here again, out and about for my lunchtime walk around the fabulous Ecopark project. And I'm in a slightly different location today. I've been faffing about with my microphone and trying out some settings within Filmic Pro app, and I think I've got it nailed this time. But anyway, I've got my phone handle so I can hold the phone a little bit further away and get a nice wide angle. I've got the windshield on my Rode Video Mic Go, and I'm using the RGB light in a slightly more yellowy colour. I've just gone down the step there, you nearly got me falling over. So just going near the road here, PGA, not far away. But I'm a couple of kilometres into my walk. It's a fabulous day. It's a Sunday, it's the end of the week. I usually have a Monday off. For this week I've got the whole week off as part of the Tet festivals and celebration. It's the end of the Vietnamese New Year, which they call Tet, T-E-T, and that's basically means festival, and each day has a meaning. But the actual first day of the new Lunar New Year will be 1st of February this year, moving into the year of the tiger, so that's quite exciting. Like I've said before, the connotations of Tiger Woods in the golf industry and Unleash the Tiger Within, which is what I've been using as a title for some of these videos. Anyway, let me know how the audio is in the comments down below. I feel like it's a little bit better. I've turned off auto gain correction. It was adding too much loudness. My voice is quite loud anyway, but I've used the manual adjustment, and I've brought the slider down a little bit in Filmic Pro. There's lots of controls in there that you can set. So we'll see how that gets on. So I'm doing something today to improve my tomorrow. Get up, get out, and get it done. And next week I'm off. I'm going to do lots of exercise, lots of walking, lots of playing with my child, getting out and about as a family, getting on my bike, doing lots of exercise, and generally having a great time whilst I'm doing it, but actually putting in a lot more effort to my exercise. But having said that, yesterday I managed to get to 40,000 steps in a day, and I was really happy with that. Walked to work, and then I had to walk back again. I had a lunchtime walk, and then we had an evening walk that actually went on a little bit longer than it was planned. So all in all, 40,000 steps, so that was pretty cool. I don't think that's sustainable. It was just a one-off at the moment, but I'm quite consistently in the 30,000 step mark every day at the moment, so that's great. And I'm really enjoying it, just getting out and about. I'm just going to give you a little tour here. West Bay area, you can see the Sky Apartments, they're called. Beautiful little area. I'm just going to walk under the bridges. Maybe you get to see a little bit of that as well. This is also where we walk in the evening when we come from home. It's maybe 5 kilometers from home, so it's halfway on our walk. But for me, from work, it's only like a kilometer, 2 kilometers away. So it's quite nice to get under the bridge there. You just see that. So fantastic. So I'm enjoying it. What are you going to do today that's going to benefit you for this week, this month, this year? Do something today. Make a difference. Doesn't matter what it is, small or big, but get started on your progress to being better. 2022 is going to be an awesome year, and how awesome it is for you, you're in control of that. So what are you going to do different this year? How are you going to repeat the things that you did well last year, and how are you going to measure it? Because what can be measured can be improved. So I'm just going under the bridge here. It's beautiful. Hopefully this light shines up a little bit on me here. This is the RGB light I'm using from Ulanzi. It's nice, a beautiful place to come and walk. So I'm really happy getting out and about. So I'll leave you to it, and I'll leave you with the 3 mottos. Get up, get out, and get it done. Do something today to improve your tomorrows. And what can be measured can be improved. Have a truly fantastic day, and make next week even more awesome than last week. Stay safe and be well.